Hello dear friend, this is Daisy from Ono Machinery. Today I want to introduce our square bottom paper bag making machine to you. According to make a different bag size range and with or without a loop handle, there have different model machine and different price. Here is our B220 model bag machine. It can make the bag width 8 to 22 cm, side width 5 to 12 cm, paper thickness around 45 to 150 GSM, and the production speed around 200 and 280 pieces per minute. It's mainly for the food bag, like the McDonald's, Burger King, and KFC and different type of bags. Whole machine length is 8.5 meters, and this machine consists by 4 units. First, feeding unit. According to the paper bag width, you prepare the shootable roll here. Here is the hydraulic jack outfeeding, max can loading 1 ton fabric. And here is the tension controller and the EPC controller, can ensure the paper in the right position and in the small stage. When paper roll comes here, photo sensor in this place to follow the printed roll. And when the fabric goes here, side edge water glue comes here. Second, foaming unit. When the paper fabric comes here, it will folding. This is fixed dragon bone here. And inside the mold plant, you can according to the paper bag size to prepare the shootable plant inside. And you can adjust the side width by this small plant also here. And here is a touch screen. You can set the cutting length and you can set the production speed here. When the paper comes here, it will cut into pieces and open the bottom and glue here, then close it. Set unit, collecting unit, finish the bag will come to here and collect here. You can set in the accounting number here as you want. And the fourth unit, it's the distribution box. We use Sqaure, self-motor and Schneider electric parts to help the machine run stable and quickly. In addition, B220 have 8-piece self-motor. Number 1, the host traction self-motor. Number 2, the main self-motor. Number 3, the lip cut and the bottom cut self-motor. Number 4, the bag length cutting motor. Number 5, the bag bottom open self-motor. Number 6, the bottom glue self-motor. Number 7, the bag bottom close self-motor. Number 8, the bag collect self-motor. There still have many different advantages of our machine. If interested, welcome to contact me freely. Bye!